Hey, listen up. Did you know you only have 2 to 3 seconds to grab somebody's attention on the internet? It's true. And now that I've snagged yours for a couple seconds, I hope you'll hang out with me for this great tip that lies ahead. On episode 40 of Evolution of Brand, I was joined by Charles Alexander, an entrepreneur who's helped many small business owners go from side hustle to full-time business. Charles also specializes in 90-second animated explainer videos. And as he tells us in the clip that lies ahead, you have just a brief window to grab someone's attention. And it's been proven that videos around a minute and a half do best. Before you say anything, I'm aware of the irony that this video is longer than a minute and a half. But humor me and check out this great clip from episode 40 of Evolution of Brand featuring Charles Alexander. I think you've really hit on something too with those 90-second explainer videos. Yeah. 90-minute, boy. Now we're talking movies. But 90 seconds. Yeah. Well, and that would step on my point completely, because what I was going to say is the fact that people's attention span is so short these days, and the fact that you only have, I mean, I know that it's always been a matter of seconds that you have to grab somebody's attention. Sure. In the scrolling world that we live in now, it's like 2 to 3. Yes. It's crazy. So having something that can get the point across in that time frame is huge.
It is, and that goes to an entirely different podcast that you could have, or other podcasts that people have in general. Deep Work being a good one by Cal Newport about how to get laser focused and only, work on the things that you absolutely have to. But you're correct. You have 2 to 3 seconds, and for a lot of my clients, social media plays a part of what they do, but it's not the core of what their marketing message or their brand is all about. It's just a piece of the puzzle. But 90 seconds, you're right, is that sweet spot. And I have tried everything below and above it. And there's research that backs it up as well. But anything below a minute makes it difficult to get your message across. And then anything above 2.5 minutes, Jason, almost has to be Oscar nominated worthy in order to hold somebody's attention anymore. That needs to be like the second, third, or fourth phase in your funnel after you've built some rapport with somebody, built up that know, like, trust factor with them.